Look, I can win a fidget in this claw machine. A fidget for $1. Let's see. I got $20 on me. If this doesn't do it. Have Rubik's Cubes, have that big bag. Does this guy realize it's only $1? Okay, it's just barely in the playfield. Let's see. Yes, a fidget for $1, folks. I just made stores really mad. They got tops, keychains, some little weird bug thing with antennas. Not only that, the things blink. So if you press the thing, blink forever. You gotta hit it again. I just want something that's about $400,000 for $1. That's why I like these claw machines, bro.